जब भी इजराइल गाजा बॉर्डर पे हम आते हैं इजराइल के दक्षिणी हिस्से में तो एक चक्कर एशडेरोत का लगाते हैं। एशडेरोत पहला शहर है इजराइल का और दक्षिण में जिसे खाली कराया गया। एक बार तस्वीरें आपको पैन करके दिखा देते हैं। सुनसान माहौल है, सन्नाटा है, वीरानगी है, कोई सड़क पे नहीं है, घोस्ट सिटी है, एम्प्टी है। लेकिन हमें सड़क पे कुछ लोग इक्का दुक्का कभी कभार, अभी तो बिल्कुल खाली है, दिखने को मिल गए। आज जब हम यहाँ पुलिस स्टेशन के पास पहुँचे तो वहाँ हमें दो लोग मिल गए, दो कपल हैं। व्हाट्स योर नेम मैम?
Shalevet.
Salevet, you didn't leave the city?
No, I did not.
Why so?
Because I believe in the God. The first things. I believe in protection. I'm not afraid from nobody. I'm afraid from the God.
So they are attacking with sirens. Hamas militants infiltrated here on 7th of October. You don't think your life is in risk?
Let me to tell you something. If in Friday in the night, I did not sleep very well. Day before, okay? I did not sleep very well. All the day I turn around in the home because I feel something is wrong. But in the day of Saturday in the morning, okay? By the time we hear the shooting, the rocket, the things, I said, yes, this is the fight what is coming. I believe Israel know how protection on its citizen. I believe that people coming to do that war, it just only service who somebody's outside.
You are against violence, it's okay, but all the all the people here left the city. You are still here.
Yeah.
Hamas is attacking
Yeah.
through missiles.
Yes.
They can infiltrate it. They can again infiltrate it.
Yeah.
The whole area is war zone, war military zone. Sderot is empty now, but it would be safer to leave this.
I'm choosing not to run in.
Okay.
I'm choosing.
Who will win? How do you think? Who will win?
I never think about win. I'm thinking about peace.
Peace.
The only peace in God, in place of the God, is going to be in the heart of people. If people going to stand and to have clean heart and clean mind.
हमारे साथ इनके हस्बैंड भी है, दोनों पति पत्नी नहीं गए हैं. What's your name, sir?
I'm Eugene.
Eugene, you didn't tell her to leave this city?
No.
Or this is your joint decision?
Normally to me, I know in life, no matter where you run to, anything can happen to you. So one thing must kill someone. So the only protection human being have in life is God. You understand? So if you look now what's going on around, even in the northeast, there is rocket everywhere. So anything can happen.
Yes.
So right now I believe
The whole country is in war zone.
Yeah. So I believe right now you need to have faith in God. That's the only protector right now. But to me, again, what happened here was uncalled for because it's so traumatizing. Because all of us that were living here, we woke up and this is what we saw. So it was very brutal. A lot of shooting, a lot of people died here.
Anybody in family also here, or you two people are here only?
There are some family, there are some people, few people.
No, you, in your family,
Okay.
in your house.
Okay.
Only two or other family members also here?
Well, we are here, family, with our two kids.
Two children also here only?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have two children here.
And they are also with you here?
Yes, we are together.
Where are they?
They are in the room, inside of the mamad.
Okay, देख सकते हैं यहाँ हमला हुआ था 7 अक्टूबर को. 25 घंटे तक लगातार गोलीबारी के बाद पहले मिसाइल से हमला हुआ, फिर थाने पर कब्जा किया गया, थाने के अंदर पुलिसकर्मियों को मारा गया. हमास के आतंकवादियों ने तमाम पुलिसकर्मियों को बंधक बनाया, उन्हें मारा. फिर हमास के जवाब में यहाँ आर्मी आई और 25 घंटे बाद इस पूरे इलाके को आर्मी ने अपने कंट्रोल में लिया. 7 अक्टूबर की घटना के ये दोनों लोग गवाह थे. लेकिन 18वें दिन बाद भी अभी ये लोग एशडेरोत छोड़कर नहीं गए हैं. एसडेरोट पहला शहर है जिसे खाली कराया है इजराइल ने। यहाँ से महज 800 मीटर की दूरी पर है गाजा। वहाँ से लगातार हमले होते हैं मिसाइल से, लेकिन बावजूद इसके भगवान पे इन्हें भरोसा है, इसलिए एसडेरोट शहर में ये हमें देखने को मिल गए और ये तब तक नहीं जाएंगे, ये जाएंगे ही नहीं, इनका यही कहना है। कैमरा पर्सन करम सिंह के साथ नीरज कुमार, न्यूज़ 18 इंडिया, एसडेरोट, इजराइल।